Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. In today's video, we are going to make coleslaw. So for the ingredients, we have mayo, we have Greek yogurt, lime, vinegar, sugar, and seasonings. For the salad, we have coriander leaves, cabbage, 2 red onions, and carrots. So first, I'm going to start with the dressing. So we have 1 cup mayo, half a cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon lime extract, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and seasonings. So I'm just going to put this in a bowl and mix them together and set it aside. Be sure to check the list of the ingredients in the description box.